The BLACK+DECKER Matrix 6 Tool Combo Kit is an all-in-one kit to tackle most jobs around the house. The 20-volt max motor provides enough power for a full range of applications and attachments. The 20 volts MAX Lithium Ion Battery holds a charge for up to 18 months, so it is ready when you need it. The innovative Matrix Quick Connect system allows for quick and easy changing of all included attachments: a drill driver, sander, jigsaw, oscillating, router, and impact driver attachments. The impact driver attachment delivers high-performance output without kickback, along with a variable speed feature that allows for precision performance that is right for each job. The sanding attachment is a versatile product that can be used for finish sanding, rust removal, dry scrubbing, polishing, and detail sanding. The jigsaw attachment is designed for tool-free blade changes for fast and easy change of blades. The router attachment delivers high speeds for fast trimming and decorative woodwork, and the oscillating attachment accepts a variety of BLACK+DECKER accessories, sold separately, that can be used to cut drywall, metal, wood, plastic, composite, and many other materials. Includes 1. 20 volts Lithium-Ion Power Unit, 1. BDCMTDD Drill, driver attachment, 1. Double-ended bit, 1. BDCMTS Detail Sander Attachment, 6. Sheets of sandpaper, 1. BDCMTJS Jigsaw Attachment, 1. Jigsaw Blade, 1. BDCMTO Oscillating Attachment, 1. Universal Adaptor, 1. Plunge Cut Blade, 1. Sanding Platen, 1. Sheet 60 Grit Sandpaper, 1. Sheet 240 Grit Sandpaper, 1. BDCMTI Impact Driver Attachment, 1. Router Attachment, 1. Screwdriving Bit, 1. 20 volts MAX Lithium Ion Battery, 1. 20 volts MAX Charger, 1. Storage Case. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Matrix Quick Connect system allows quick and easy change of a variety of attachments. Number 2. Powerful 20 volts max motor for the performance needed to complete DIY activities. Number 3. The lithium-ion battery is always ready and holds a charge of up to 18 months. Router attachment, ideal for trimming, decorative woodwork, and more. Number 4. Kit includes drill, sander, jigsaw, oscillating tool, router, and impact driver attachments. Number 5. Jigsaw attachment, designed for tool-free blade changes for fast and easy change of blades. Number 6. Matrix drill attachment. 11 adjustable clutch settings deliver the right torque setting to reduce the chance of stripping and overdriving screws. Rugged comfort grip handle for ease of use during DIY projects. Number 7. Matrix Jig Saw attachment, designed for tool-free blade changes, making swapping blades fast and easy. Accepts both U and T shank blades, and both wood and metal cutting blades. Only wood cutting jigsaw blade is included in this kit. Number 8. Matrix Sander attachment, can be used for finish sanding, detail sanding, and paint removal. Convenient hook and loop sandpaper feature for quick sandpaper changes. Number 9. Matrix Oscillating Multi-Tool Attachment, can be used to cut drywall, metal, wood, and more with the included blade. Features a tool-free blade release for quick and easy accessory changes. Number 10. Matrix Router Attachment, can be used for trimming, small edge forming, decorative woodworking, and more. Includes adjustable depth controls for increased precision. Number 11. ATRIX Impact Driver Attachment, features a 1/4 inch quick-release hex chuck for rapid bit changes between different applications. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.